How to design the product the right way. Welcome to my weekly video channel. Hi, my name is Samantha, second generation owner of Glasfil Polymer Sdn. We're a one-stop plastic injection molding solution center in Malaysia. The first step is to define the product vision. Before you start building a product, you need to understand its context for existence. In order to do that, you need to define the product vision and product strategy. A product vision sets the direction and guides the product development team. It captures the essence of the product, the critical information that the product team must know in order to develop and launch a successful product. But vision is only half the picture. The other half is strategy. Product strategy defines a product's journey. A vision helps you define a destination, the ultimate user experience towards which you are aiming. You can plan your road towards the target destination by focusing on exactly what you need to build. By setting the goals, you can adjust the direction of your product efforts. The next step is product research. Once the product vision is defined, product research will naturally include user and market research, provides the other half of the foundation for great design. To maximize your chance of success, conduct insightful research before making any product decisions. Remember that the time spent researching is never time wasted. Step number 3, user analysis. Once you've completed your research, the product team must make sense of the data it's collected. The aim of the analysis phase is to draw insights from the data collected during the product research phase. Capturing, organizing, making inference about what user want, think or need can help designers begin to understand why they want, think or need that. Next is the ideation phase. It's a time when team members brainstorm on a range of creative ideas that address the project goals. During this phase, it's critical not only to generate ideas, but also to confirm that the most important design assumptions are valid. Product teams have a lot of techniques for ideation, from sketching, which is very useful for visualizing what some aspect of the design will look like, to storyboarding, which is used to visualize the overall interaction with the product. Step number 5, design. After the ideation phase, the product team should have a clear understanding of what they want to build. During the design phase, the product team will begin to create the solution to solve the client's problem and implement concepts. And if you would like to deliver a good user experience, prototyping must be part of your design process. A prototype is an experimental model of an idea that enables you to test it before the full solutions. A prototype often starts small, with the design of few core parts of the product, such as key user flows, and grows in breadth and depth over multiple iterations as required areas are built out. The finalized version of a prototype is handed off for development. Once we have our design, we will enter the testing and validation phase. This helps the product team ensure that the design concept works as intended. Product testing is an art of itself. Do it wrong and you'll learn nothing. Do it right and you might get incredible, unexpected insights that might even change your product strategy. Usually the validation phase starts with a high fidelity design is fleshed out. Similarly to the product research phase, this phase also varies between projects. The final step is post-launch activities. Just because a product officially launches doesn't mean that the product design is over. In fact, product design is an ongoing process that continues as long as products is in use. Your team will learn and continue to improve the products. Do you have any questions that you'd like to ask me to explain about plastic injection molding or plastic manufacturing, or even plastic designs? Feel free to drop me an email at ask@glasfil.com. If you like my video, don't forget to like and click on subscribe. Turn on a notification to get more weekly updates on manufacturing tips, design tips, and some plastic injection insider tricks for you to create excellent products that works as a solution for mankind. See you next week. Goodbye.